Top 8 Nighttime Habits Obesity should know. Have you ever stopped to consider how your nightly routine might be impacting your health and weight? Most people focus on their daytime habits, what they eat, how they exercise, and how they manage stress. But what you do in the hours leading up to bedtime is just as important. When it comes to obesity and weight management, your nighttime habits could either be your biggest ally or your greatest obstacle. The way you prepare for sleep doesn't just affect your energy levels for the next day, it also influences your metabolism, hormones, and the way your body stores fat. For instance, did you know that something as simple as the timing of your dinner or the brightness of your phone screen can disrupt your sleep and lead to weight gain? In this video, we'll uncover the top 8 nighttime habits that everyone dealing with obesity or trying to avoid it should know. These habits go beyond the obvious. We'll delve into how your evening routine impacts your hunger hormones, fat-burning processes, and even your ability to resist cravings the following day. Whether you're actively working on weight loss or simply aiming to improve your overall health, this is the guide you didn't know you needed. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's explore how a few simple changes to your evenings can transform your weight management journey. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, science-backed strategies to create healthier habits that set you up for long-term success. Starting tonight. 1. Eating late at night. Late-night eating can wreak havoc on your metabolism, leading to weight gain and poor digestion. When you eat late, your body doesn't have enough time to burn off the calories before bed, resulting in fat storage. Additionally, late-night meals can spike insulin levels, a hormone that promotes fat storage. Research suggests that eating your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime can help regulate your metabolism. Instead of reaching for heavy snacks, try sipping on herbal tea or eating a small portion of high-protein food to keep hunger at bay. 2. Lack of a consistent sleep schedule. Irregular sleeping patterns disrupt your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm, which is closely tied to metabolism and appetite regulation. People who go to bed and wake up at inconsistent times often experience increased hunger hormones like ghrelin and reduced satiety hormones like leptin. This imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night and try to maintain the same sleep schedule, even on weekends. 3. Consuming sugary or caffeinated drinks before bed. Sugary and caffeinated drinks like soda, energy drinks, or even certain teas can interfere with your sleep quality and contribute to weight gain. These beverages often lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that triggers hunger and cravings. Caffeine, on the other hand, stimulates the nervous system, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, hydrate with water or drink chamomile tea, which promotes relaxation and better sleep. 4. Blue light exposure before bed. Spending time on your phone, tablet, or laptop before bed exposes you to blue light, which suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone crucial for sleep regulation. Poor sleep, in turn, disrupts your metabolism and increases cravings for unhealthy foods the next day. Try to limit screen time at least 1 hour before bedtime. Use blue light blocking glasses or activate the night mode setting on your devices if you can't avoid screens. 5. Skipping evening physical activity. While intense exercise late at night may disrupt sleep for some, light evening activity can actually improve your metabolism and prepare your body for rest. Activities like yoga, stretching, or a leisurely walk can help lower stress levels and regulate blood sugar. These practices also enhance digestion, ensuring your body isn't working overtime to process food while you sleep. 6. Stress and overthinking. Before bed. Going to bed stressed or anxious can increase cortisol levels, a stress hormone linked to weight gain, especially around the abdominal area. Cortisol not only disrupts sleep but also promotes fat storage. Incorporating a relaxation routine such as journaling, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and lower cortisol levels before bed. 7. Sleeping with the lights on. Even dim lights in your bedroom can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, making it harder to achieve deep, restorative sleep. Studies have shown that poor sleep is linked to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Make your sleeping environment as dark as possible. Consider using blackout curtains, an eye mask, or removing electronic devices that emit light. 8. Ignoring hunger signals. While avoiding late-night meals is important, ignoring genuine hunger signals can also backfire. If you go to bed starving, you're likely to wake up in the middle of the night or overeat the next morning. The key is balance. Choose a small, nutrient-dense snack if you're genuinely hungry. Foods like a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, or a slice of avocado can help curb hunger without disrupting your metabolism. By identifying and addressing these nighttime habits, you can create an evening routine that supports weight management and overall health. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to big results over time. Your nighttime habits play a critical role in your weight management journey. By being mindful of what you eat, drink, and do before bed, you can create an environment that supports weight loss and overall well-being. Small, consistent changes to your evening routine can make a big difference over time. Remember, healthy weight management isn't just about the daytime, it's about embracing a 24/7 approach to wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams.